Okay, try this again. I abruptly threw you guys on the floor and shut my camera off, so let's see if I can do a little less violent, keep you in the cab. So this is the storm that's moved across from the Midwest. It was 40 degrees here and raining yesterday morning. About midday it turned to snow. We've been plowing off and on since. It is roughly 6 o'clock in the morning and we're trying to get our commercial spots over. The wind has been terrible, just like the old blizzards from years ago. Inside the village, inside town here, you can't really, it's not really noticeable. I just had to run out and open a driveway up for one of our customers to get out to go to work, and can't see a thing anywhere. It's right down to strobe lights, four-way flashers going. Anywhere there's a snowbank, it's just blizzard, whiteout conditions. Very, very treacherous. Schools are on a 2-hour delay. I can't believe they'll be open, but we'll see. It's not the snow, it's the visibility. So yeah, I'm a little stuffed up. I've been fighting this flu bug for the last 4 or 5 days, and I feel a little better today. Plowed snow yesterday and did some work in the shop yesterday afternoon, and kind of pushed through it. So I'll do it again today. So yeah, so I'll just be quiet and do some plowing. And it's a commercial spot. They'll be here at 7:30. I usually try to get this one open about an hour before they open. So I will have this open for them. Then, of course, there's things like some of the other commercial spots that open a little later. Jordan's out plowing those right now. A lot of snow. I was out till 10:30 last night plowing snow. A lot of the commercial spots that we do are open late. I had to keep them open. Hopefully I won't drop you off the foot. So this is a blizzard. Now west of us, which would be the Tug Hill Plateau, which is about 2 hours, 2.5 hours from us, on about the same height, parallel as we are, but straight across. They're right off Lake Ontario. They're getting lake effect snows. From what I understand, I heard that they received about 3 feet. 3 feet since yesterday morning. So yeah, late winter storms. We'll take the work. Parking lot's getting very rough. There's a lot of frost heaving going on. So makes it interesting when you're banging the blade everywhere you go. Let's see if I can clean that view up for you. There you go. Not trying to run the wipers as much because it's annoying when you're watching the video to see the wiper going flapping back and forth in front of your face. So these parking lots were bare around noon yesterday. We had plowed everything through once, salted everything, and they were bare. The temperature kept dropping. It is 12 degrees as I speak and getting colder by the minute. So I guess our little spring fling is over. 3 days of 45 degrees. Back to reality. I gotta finish this other parking lot right here beside me. It was one of the people that one of the renters was trying to get out, so I moved out of the parking lot, didn't finish it so she could get her car out. We just finish this one up real quick and we'll come back to this one. So you're gonna get 2 parking lots. This is a little parking lot. There's not much room to put snow anywhere. It is a gravel base. You can probably hear it. Blade rattles on the tar driveways. You don't hear. It's pretty smooth. You like driving down a gravel road. Well, this is gravel driveway. I should say gravel. It's stone, crushed stone. Our local highway department trucks coming by. They've been out plowing for an hour or so. All right, I'm gonna wheel around, push it the other way, clear your windshield again so you can see what's going on. Stuffed up, snuffling this morning. It sounds pretty funny. I don't know how it sounds on the. I kind of sound a little nasally, like. Here again, this is where the scoop. See, I got some that I pushed in from that other driveway. We're in limited space here, but I can take about a half a blade and scoop it, and it makes cleanup. Where a straight blade, you'd be chasing that all the way across, and if you angled it straight, or brought it back from angle to straight, you'd be chasing both ends. Once you get used to a V blade and what it can do for your operation, it makes you a lot more efficient. Parking lot's through. We come back over in this one. Here's a prime example. Let's see if I can get it. All right. When I came down that bank and rolled it up on it, it was angled to the right, like a typical blade would be. And I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me get my blade down so you can see what I'm talking about. In the middle of the snowstorm here. Okay, right in front of my blade, let me see, get it in between the headlights here. There's, right dead center, there's a row of tailings that came off my blade when I was going against the hard bank. Now, if that was a straight blade, you'd be either pushing it over one more time or chasing it the whole parking lot in 2 more passes, 2 to 3. But we keep it in V, scoop position, sorry, and we take it right up. And if I wanted to, I could have gone right to the corner with it. I'm going to go here. I don't think there was enough snow. Make it trail off on the right, which I did not. See how nice and clean that is up there? So it also picked up my tailings and moved it. So that's where that blade comes in. So all right, well, I got to get busy. I got to clean under the canopy and clean the sidewalks, get everything salted, and so I'll bring you back on a different driveway. I think I've done this one a few times. I'll pick a commercial spot we haven't done yet, and I'll film it again. Thanks for subscribing, liking the videos, love the comments, welcome the comments. Any questions, anything you want me to see or show in our operation, let us know. Thanks.